Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video we are going to look at how to obtain a temporary residence under family reunification or marriage. So guys, before we begin, I kindly request you to subscribe, like and share this video if you find it very interesting, and turn on notifications and be notified every time we upload a new video. So guys, let's go. So guys, before I begin, this video is specifically for those people who are want to reunite with their families in Serbia, or that are in process of getting married. You understand guys? Like if you have a Serbian boyfriend, or you have if it's a girl, you have a girlfriend. You understand guys? So when you reach into the country, what do you have to do? And before you leave your country, what do you have to do? So this video is specifically for those people. You know, most people get stuck due to lack of information. You understand guys? So I'm going to share with you how you can obtain your temporary residence under family reunification or marriage. You understand guys? So let's go. So guys, if you're dating a Serbian man or a Serbian woman and you're looking at reuniting with him or her and you want to stay together, this is what you have to do. Before you leave your country to come and reunite with your man or your woman, before you leave your country, you have to come to Serbia with the following, because they're gonna help you in the process of obtaining your temporary residence. So these are the two to three documents that you have to come with from your foreign country to Serbia, because they're going to help you to switch your visa. So number one, you have to carry your single status letter. You have to carry your single status letter from your country that shows that you're not married in your foreign country or in your mother country. You have to put it in your bag, and it has to be certified by your country. And another document that you have to carry with you is your birth certificate. You need to carry your original birth certificate when traveling to Serbia, because this is a requirement when you're switching your temporary residence. And you must to ensure it is also certified. You understand guys? So guys, we are proceeding. Once you arrive in Serbia guys, I always tell you, immediately start the plans of applying for your temporary residence. You understand guys? So this is what you have to do, or these are the sum of the requirements that you need when you're going to apply for your temporary residence. Number one, the major one is because your boyfriend or your girlfriend in Serbia must to also get his single status letter, and he can get it from my teacher. You understand guys? And you have to get two witnesses. You must to get two witnesses, people that know about your relationship, two people that are aware about your relationship, that you and your man are in relationship. So you have to get the two witnesses and go to the notary to register your relationship. You understand guys? So those two witnesses must to carry their IDs, Serbian IDs, and you too carry your documents, your IDs, or if you have a passport and you carry your IDs, go to the notary and you register your relationship, and both the witnesses will have to sign onto that form where you've registered your relationship. You understand, guys? So once that is done, I think you have to pay a fee of about 7 euros. Yeah, 7 euros at the notary. And once you have that form of the two witnesses, you need to have your birth certificate and your single status letter translated. You understand, guys? And your husband too, or your girlfriend, must to have her birth certificate, but that one don't need to be translated because it's already in the local language. So guys, once you've gotten the witness form done, your birth certificate is translated, your partner has his too or hers, then you compare the rest of the document. For example, you have to have your passport, your visa sticker, how you came into Serbia, your application form, your of course your purpose of stay is family reunification, the proof of accommodation. You can get this as house details, or if you guys are renting, you can get it as a house agreement or rental agreement. And you have to prove of funds, how you're going to sustain yourself or support yourself while staying here. So you can get your bank statement from the bank, and health insurance. Like I said, you can subscribe for 1 year, and you get you pay some fee in the bank, or anyway you can pay on the site, which is welcome to serbia.gov.rs. So once you're done with all this, you go to that website, which is called welcome to serbia.gov.rs. You upload all your documents, you punch in all your data. I'll show you with the time. And then after you pay using your Visa card. Yeah, once you pay and you get a response or a confirmation email from that your application has been successfully done or received, then you have to make an appointment on MOP, which is mup.gov.rs for Serbia, and make an appointment to submit your physical documents. You understand, guys? So once you get an appointment, and yeah, you go for an interview and submit your paperwork, and yeah, you'll be given a date or when you're gonna come back to get your temporary residence card. But first, you'll be given an appointment date when you're gonna come and take fingerprint scan and the face. You understand, guys? So once you're done, they will give you an appointment date on when you're going to come to pick your residence card. You understand? Yeah, so guys, like I've already said, you can get your temporary residence under Visa D. You can switch your Visa D to your temporary residence, but it's hard to get your Visa C to get your temporary residence under Visa C. You understand, guys? So yeah, I know it's very complicated when you reach into the country. You don't know anyone, you don't know where to start from. You know, you run onto the internet, you try to ask here and there, and you not getting right information. Yeah, guys, this is what I can advise you when you're reaching to the country and you want to apply for your temporary residence and under family reunification and you don't know what to do. One thing you have to do is get time and go to the immigration or go to MOP close to you under immigration and ask them, we a couple, or we are living together, he's my boyfriend, what we want to apply for a temporary residence. What are the requirements? Get clear information or get right information from the right source. You understand, guys? Because you get people here, and then don't get scared of going to the police. Police is there to help you, like MOP. Go there and ask them, what are the requirements do you need, the requirements and process do you need to apply for your temporary residence. They will help you, because people will give you different information, what, and you start to run out of time. Some things will not even work. Some of you will decide to use lawyers. And one thing I noticed, some lawyers don't have immigration knowledge. So you find that you've lost time, your visa is almost expiring, and you there's nothing you can do, and you have to go back and apply again for your visa and come back, which is a wastage of time and money. You understand, guys? So go direct to MOP, ask them what are the requirements do you need to apply for your temporary residence, then to get several information, what, you understand? So, or if you have an immigration lawyer that can help you, it is also okay, but ensure that the immigration lawyer has the knowledge about. Yeah, so guys, that's it with today's video. I hope you've learned something. Yeah, I want to wish the best for all those of you that are applying for the temporary residence and the family reunification. And if you have any questions about how to apply for your temporary residence and the family reunification, let me know in the comment section. I'll come and reply to them. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, bye, ciao.